No way. It's the first time this has ever happened to me. The bird was flying by. And I casted. And I caught him. Let's see how well we can help this guy. Hello, small bird. I've got you. I hope this thing doesn't attack me. Come on. Come here, I'll help you. Let me see. Oh, it's an easy one. It's an easy one. Don't bite me. Wow, look at that bird. It's so cool. I know. You don't like me, but I can de-hook. I can de-hook you. You can't get away from me. I have to de-hook you. Just come here and let me do it. It's okay. Come here. I'll get it out. Don't bite. Dang it. Now I got a good angle on it. Just sit still. Hi. Jesus Christ, there's a manatee next to me. Oh, God. Hello, Mr. Manatee. Hi. Oh, my God, it scares the heck out of me. Okay, I know. Let's get this out of your wing before this manatee scares me to death. Gosh, you're huge. It's okay. It's okay. I need this wing. Almost. And I got you. You're free. You're free. I'm so sorry. I love you. I hope your wing feels better. Yeah. There he goes. And that manatee's out of here. Holy crap, dude. Whoa. Woo-wee.